we're gonna solve problems involving models. For the first problem, Aaron and Brian have $80 altogether. The amount of money Aaron has is 3 times the amount of money Brian has. How much money does Aaron have? So let us analyze the problem. Aaron and Brian have $80 altogether. The amount of money Aaron has is 3 times the amount of money Brian has. Okay, so in that case, we can now draw the model for the two statements. So first of all, since Aaron has 3 times the amount of money Brian has, in other words, Aaron has more money than Brian. Okay, so I will draw first the model for Brian. Okay, and it is 1 unit. Now for Aaron has 3 times. So 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have here now the models for the both boys. Now, all in all, their money is $80. Now, then the question is, how much money does Aaron have? How much money? So we're looking for the amount of money Aaron has. Okay, so if you can see, children, or if you can see, there are one, 2, 3, 4 units in all, and 80 is divided into by 4. So that means to get 1 unit, we have $80 divided by 4 is equal to $20. So every unit here is $20. This is 20, this is 20, this is $20. Okay, so we're looking for Aaron, and Aaron has 3 units. So that means 3 times $20 is equal to $60. Now, how much money does Aaron have? Our answer, Aaron has $60. So if you can see, $60 the money of Aaron plus $20 the money of Brian. Okay, add them together, you will get $80. Let's proceed to question number 2, or problem number 2. Okay, a farmer has 120 mares and stallions altogether. The number of mares is 20 more than the number of stallions. How many stallions does the farmer have? Okay, so I'll put S here, stallions. Okay, stallions, I'll put S. Okay, now, so let us analyze the problem. A farmer has 120 mares and stallions altogether. The number of mares is 20 more than the number of stallions. Okay, so the number of mares is 20 more. So that means to say, mares is more than stallion. So in that case, we can draw the model of the stallion first. Okay, so stallion, okay, let's make it 1 unit. Okay, and then the mares is 20 more. So if this one is the mare, okay, so we have here 20 more. So there is 20 more than this. Okay, if you put them together, okay, so there are 120 in all. Okay, so we are looking for how many stallions does the farmer have? How many stallions? So we're looking for the number of stallion. Okay, so first of all, what you can do is we have to take away 20 from 120. Okay, so 120 minus 20 is equal to 100. Okay, so 100 now is for the two parts. This and this. Okay, so that means that what should we do with it? Then we have to divide 100 divided by 2 gives us 50. Okay, so this one is 50 and this one is 50. And we're looking for the stallion. So therefore, the question is how many stallions does the farmer have? So the farmer has 50 stallions. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, we're done with question number 2 or problem number 2. We're now going to proceed to problem number 3. Okay, there are 45 apples in carton A and 55 apples in carton B. How many apples must be transferred from carton A so that the number of apples in carton A is 3 times as many as the number of apples in carton B? Okay, so let's analyze the problem. Now, there are 45 apples in carton A and 55 apples in carton B. Okay, now, how many apples must be transferred from carton A to carton okay, how many apples must be transferred from carton A so that the number of apples in carton A is 3 times as many as the number of apples in carton B. Okay, so let's first do apple A is 3 times and okay, 3 times as carton B. So if we will draw the model of carton B first, okay, it is only 1. Okay, 1 unit. While carton A, okay, carton A is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if we put together, okay, carton A and carton B, so carton A has 45 apples and carton B has 55 apples. Okay, then we are going to, okay, add first the apples in carton A and carton B. So 45 plus 55 is equal to 100 apples. Okay, so there are 100 apples, okay, in all. Okay, now, then what are we going to do? Now, if you can see that there are how many parts in all? So we have 1, or how many units? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's find out 1 unit for that. So 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25 apples. Okay, so there are 25 apples in carton B in the end. Okay, now let's continue. I don't have space here now. Okay, now, then let's continue. So, there are 25 apples in carton B. And in carton A, okay, so 25 times carton B, there are 3 parts. So, 25 times 3 is equal to 75 apples. So, there are 75 apples. Okay, in carton A in the end. Okay, now, so then needs to be 75 minus 45. Okay, for 75, take away 45 is equal to 30. Or we have 55, okay, 55 in apple B minus 25 equals 30. So therefore, our answer, okay, so how many apples, how many apples must be transferred from carton A, okay, to carton B? So 30 apples, okay, must be transferred. Okay, we got the answer for the second problem. Oh, sorry, the third problem.